in key areas. Giriraj Singh, Union Minister of Rural Development and Textile, visited Eri Silk Village in Umden Diwan today, engaging with local weavers, artisans and farmers. Accompanied by Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Baranwal Singh, toured the Kiniho and designed innovative research center to observe dyeing and weaving processes at Duya Hall. He discussed support measures with artisans who receive artisans cards and pledge efforts to ensure their monthly income reaches a minimum of 15,000 rupees.
Only 2 crore 32 lakh. This time 10 crore 25 lakhs. That time bank support only 22,000 crore by the bank support. This time 9 lakh crore for the women income generation program. So Meghalaya is one of them.